Hey guys, a fantastic news coming up for all those students who want to pursue BMS or BFA course from Shahi Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Delhi University. Right? For that, one has to score big in DUJAT exam, right? And the dates are already announced. It is 27th of September. Hardly any days left. So are you guys all set for it? See guys, to crack any exam like DUT exam, the competition is so tough. The student require the last month momentum, the pace, the accuracy, the rhythm, the speed, and the concepts, techniques, and everything, right? So SuperGrads team brings to you a short batch on DUJAT, right? From 7th of September, we are starting with this batch. And for that, one has to clear the selection test, right? Without that, you'll not be able to be part of that batch, right? So give it a try. Appear for the test on 5th of September, Sunday. And in order to register for that test, the link is given in the description box, right? So see you on the other side of the exam, guys. All the best.